Hey, and welcome back to another video. So this is not a repairs video or anything like that, but I bought a seriously valuable phone, I'd say, quite rare. And whenever they are on sale, they go for really high prices. I'm speaking about the lipstick phone, the first lipstick phone, because there was a lot of them. The first one is the Nokia 7280, and I got it for the price on screen. So it was $90, so expensive, but not comparatively expensive, because usually these go for $150, $200. They are a collector's item. This phone was released 2008. I'll put it on screen. And it was marketed as a fashion accessory more than a phone. And it didn't sell that great, obviously, because its battery life wasn't too great, blah, 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 blah. It now goes for really high prices, and it's now a collector's item. This one comes with its charger, and this thing's already stuck. Where's my knife? There it is. So I thought I'll take you guys along for the ride for me unboxing this and seeing what's up. Its battery is fried. The battery doesn't work apparently, so I'll have to get a battery. There aren't any batteries for this thing for sale, so I may just have to like rig something up. I'm not going to be using this thing anyway, so it doesn't really matter if the battery's there or not. But I just want to turn it on once at least and see. So we are looking at a older style ACP7U, so 120 volts only. This is yeah, it has no variation, so it's only 120 volts, so it can't be used in the Europe or anywhere else, used in European Union or UK or wherever. So let's go and see what's up. The phone is slightly bigger than I thought, but it's in its case, so let's see. Okay, case is also original Nokia, so that's good. And there's the phone. So he said the battery is completely shot. This usually what you find is this wheel-like thing. It's usually missing, and this one has all its parts. It's really cold because it was outside. The sliding mechanism reveals the camera there. Taking the battery from this thing is a bit hard because the battery is internal. I will not be replacing the battery. Maybe I might have replaced the battery or like rig something up, so we'll see. Does not turn on. Let me plug it in and see if it does anything. Like maybe the battery still maybe the battery still is good in terms of it being still connected to the board and stuff, so we can probably use it as a jumper. So it might just turn on. Let's see. Plug the charger in. See if it does anything. No, so I guess the battery is completely shot. How do you turn this thing on? Is it that or is it this? What is that? Is that the SIM card slot? I have no idea. So there's no power. It should have done something by now. So we'll have to take it apart to a certain extent and see. Let me look over what this is and be right back. Okay, so we're gonna have to take this thing apart if you're gonna get it to work. I'm not sure even I'll be able to rig up a battery, but let's see. Fun fact, this display also acts as a mirror, and this display also has a really small resolution. I'll put it up on screen. That's the resolution. It's like 158 by 208 or something like that. And it, like I said, it dubs as a mirror. You can use it as a mirror to do your lipstick or whatever if you're a lady. And it was basically it was marketed as a fashion accessory, so it's got to have something like that. So this is the SIM card tool. SIM card slot, big slot. So yeah, Nokia had a phone with these these ejecting SIM card slots before the iPhone. The common misconception is that the iPhone was the first phone that required a SIM card ejector tool. That's not the case. There were phones before that. It's not that was not Apple's idea. Okay, so that's out. There's a battery retention clip. The battery is, I've never seen this type of battery before, so we're gonna have a fun time with that. So a retention clip like thing, and battery slides out. This one's made in Korea. All 7280s were made in Korea. There's no Hungarian variant. What is this? BL8N, 3.7 volts. Battery is definitely the case here, like the seller said. How am I gonna get this thing to work now? I'm not gonna be soldering things onto this. I should figure this out somehow. Be right back after figuring it out. So I can't figure out how to power this thing. Holding a LG 3.7 volt battery to it kind of flickered the screen a bit. So I guess it works. But I am not gonna do anything more because I can't really basically shove the wires in there, and it's not gonna do much. The battery for this, I found there's one in Australia, it's $28. There's another bunch of them in Ukraine, another $50. I'm not gonna spend so much on a battery, honestly. This phone is gonna be a showpiece anyway. It's not gonna be a phone that I'll use. Kind of sucks that I can't turn it on, but at least it's complete. The only thing missing on this phone is its Nokia tag-like thing here, but most of them don't have their click wheel, their scroll wheel like thing. But at least the rest of the phone is complete. Apart from that, there's nothing else I can do. It would have been fun if I could turn this thing on, but it's just another piece for my collection at the end of the day. There's nothing else to it. It's just but it's, again, it's an interesting phone. There were a couple of others after this, more flashier ones, by the way, that were released, and they were quite decently successful. I guess people bought them, and now they're just considered as collector's items because of their rarity. I might get the others as well in the future, but I always want to get the first of the lot, which is the 7280. And now I have it. So, and the case is also in decent shape. It's still soft in certain areas, but it is I believe a real leather case. So I believe cowhide, I'm not sure. I'm not an expert on leather, but it has its Nokia tag there. The charger is also original. Charger works on other phones as well, so the charger works. So a pretty decent deal for a otherwise really rare phone, but I'm really happy that I have it, and I'll just go ahead and throw it in my collection, and that's where it'll be for the rest of its time. There's nothing much else I can do with it. Hopefully I'll get another one in the future with a better battery that we could actually turn on and see. But until then, this was just a quick sort of an intro video into a phone that I bought. I really didn't do much, so sorry about that, but upcoming videos will be repair videos and stuff, so you know the drill, so stay tuned for those. Anyway, that was the Nokia 7280, aka the lipstick phone, the fashion accessory from 2004, which happens to be a phone as well. Was it vice versa? It looks more like something of a fashion accessory than a phone, but it's half. Either way, that was it. Don't forget to hit that like button and check out my channel. And if you like what you see, please consider hitting that subscribe button, thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.